If you're investing in Nigerian stocks right now without understanding this pattern, you're about to lose everything. I'm Philip Hustle, a crypto trader and stockbroker with 5 years in these markets, and I've studied every major crash from 1929 to 2020. They all follow the same 5-step pattern. And right now, Nigeria is sitting dangerously at step 3. If you don't understand what comes next, you'll be wiped out just like millions of investors before you. Look, I know what you're thinking. Philip, Nigerian stocks are hitting all-time highs. Dangote Cement, MTN Nigeria, Guarantee Trust Bank, they're all flying. But that's exactly what investors said before Black Tuesday in 1929, before Black Monday in 1987, before the 2008 financial crisis, before COVID crashed everything in 2020. Here's what makes me angry. Nobody is teaching Nigerian investors about this pattern. You're being fed the same lies that destroyed wealth for a century.
So let me break down the 5-step crash pattern that never fails. Step 1, the euphoria phase. This is where everyone thinks they're a genius. Stock prices soar, people quit their jobs to trade full-time, and your barber starts giving stock tips. Sound familiar? In 1929, people were buying stocks on massive margins. In 1999, everyone thought dot-com stocks would never fall. In 2007, people thought housing prices would rise forever. In Nigeria right now, we're seeing the same thing. MTN Nigeria jumped from 200 naira to over 300 naira. Dangote Cement hit record highs. Everyone's talking about how the Nigerian market is finally opening up. But here's the truth. Euphoria is not a sign to buy more. It's a warning signal. Step 2, the smart money exit. While retail investors are celebrating, institutional investors and smart money start quietly selling. They don't announce it. They don't crash the party. They just slowly, methodically take profits. In 2008, Goldman Sachs was selling mortgage securities while telling clients to buy them. In 2020, insiders sold billions before the COVID crash. Here's how to spot this in Nigeria. Watch the volume. When prices are rising, but volume is decreasing, that's smart money leaving. Check the insider trading reports. Are company executives selling their shares? That's your red flag. Step 3, the denial phase. This is where we are right now in Nigeria. Every small dip gets bought immediately. Investors say, it's just a correction. Buy the dip. This time is different. The media keeps pushing bullish narratives. Financial advisors keep telling you to stay the course. But look at what happened in every crash. In 1929, after the initial warning signs, experts said the economy was fundamentally sound. In 2008, Ben Bernanke said subprime mortgages were contained. In early 2020, officials said COVID wouldn't affect markets. In Nigeria today, I'm seeing the same denial. Every analyst is bullish. Every report says Nigerian stocks are undervalued. But when everyone is bullish, that's when you should be terrified. Step 4, the capitulation cascade. This is when reality hits. One major event triggers a domino effect. In 1929, it was margin calls. In 1987, it was program trading. In 2008, it was Lehman Brothers. In 2020, it was the pandemic lockdowns. For Nigeria, the trigger could be anything. A major devaluation of the naira. Political instability, the global recession is affecting oil prices. The Chinese economic slowdown is impacting our commodity exports. The trigger doesn't matter. What matters is that when it comes, over-leveraged investors get liquidated first. Step 5, the aftermath. This is when fortunes are made and lost permanently. Those who prepare beforehand buy quality assets at massive discounts, while those who don't lose everything and never recover. After 1929, it took 25 years for stocks to reach their previous highs. After 2008, many investors never returned to the market. After 2020, those with cash bought the best companies at 50 to 70% discounts. Now, here's my specific warning for Nigerian investors. You're blindly buying stocks at all-time highs without understanding the companies. Dangote Cement hitting 1,088 Naira doesn't mean it's worth 1,088 Naira. MTN Nigeria at 815 Naira doesn't mean it can't fall to 500 Naira. I have analyzed the books of these companies. Some are genuinely strong, others are riding the wave. But even the strongest companies will crash when the pattern completes. Now let me teach you how to protect yourself. First, build your cash position now. I know it sounds boring when stocks are flying, but cash is king during crashes. Keep 40 to 60% of your investment capital in cash or short-term government bonds. Second, learn fundamental analysis immediately. Stop buying stocks because they're going up. While it does, understand price-to-earnings ratios, debt-to-equity ratios, and cash flow statements. If you can't read a company's annual report, you have no business buying their stock. Third, create your shopping list now. Identify 10 to 15 quality Nigerian companies you'd love to own at 50% discounts. Companies like Guaranty Trust Bank, Dangote Cement, and MTN Nigeria, but only if you understand their fundamentals. Fourth, set up stop losses and stick to them. If you're holding stocks now, decide on your maximum acceptable loss. 10%, 20%? When that level hits, sell. No emotions, no hoping it comes back. Fifth, diversify beyond Nigerian stocks. The Naira, oil prices, and political risks all affect our market together. Consider some exposure to US stocks, gold, or even cryptocurrency for true diversification. Listen, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to prepare you. The Nigerian stock market is opening up. There are incredible opportunities ahead. But only for investors who understand these patterns and position themselves correctly. The crash might not happen tomorrow, next month, or even next year. But it will happen because this pattern always completes. And when it does, you'll either be prepared to profit or you'll lose everything like the majority always does. If this opened your eyes to what's really happening in the Nigerian market, smash that like button and subscribe for more content that protects your wealth. Drop a comment telling me which Nigerian stock you're most worried about right now. And if you want to learn how to analyze these companies properly before the crash comes, check out my next video where I break down the exact fundamental analysis techniques that saved my portfolio in 2020. Don't be caught unprepared when step 5 hits. Your future self will thank you.